The following clips will show why Regine Velasquez is a perfect judge for a singing competition.
Ang idol naghahanap na mas magaling sa marunong kumanta. Okay? Meron namang timbre, siguro lang medyo hilaw pa. Nafa-frustrate ako kasi pare-pareho kayo ng sound. The singing style, it's all the same.
Prove me wrong. Huwag akong maging hadlang para matupad mo ang pangarap mo.
Alam mo, Elle, you're one of those singers na meron lang talagang binabagayang genre or may binabagayang kanta. I don't know if it's just me, but in my opinion, I'm sorry to say, but hindi bagay sa iyo ang kantang ito. Hindi mo na iparamdam sa akin yung totoong meaning ng kanta, yung totoong damdamin dapat ng kanta. Although, nung bandang huli, nabawi mo naman, meron kang magandang hirit, maganda naman yon. But still, I don't know, maybe I'm just so critical about the song because I recorded it. So I was expecting a lot. And alam mo kasi audition pa lang, bilib na bilib ako sa'yo eh. But every week, nababawasan yung bilib ko sa'yo. I don't know why. I don't wanna put you down, sweetheart. I'm sorry. It's just that you were so good in the audition and kaya pinilit kita talaga na mapasok sa top 12. And siguro nga kasi ikaw yung isa sa mga singers na may binabagayan lang kanta. So ayun lang yung opinion ko. I hope that it will not put you down. I hope that you won't feel bad about it, but I just want for you to improve, and I don't want to lie, okay? Because this is how I feel about the performance.
Thank you. I like your voice. My problem is you guys have the same sound to me. You all sound the same. I know that it's current, but you sound the same. And the thing is, I know that you're making this sound. It's not something that you're born with. You make the sound. It's the tone that you make. I was explaining to Moira, it comes naturally for other people, but for some, it's not. We already have Moira, we have Yang. It's the same sound. But like I said, maganda naman yung pinakita mo. I'm just a little frustrated because it's the same sound. Yun lang.
For me, ang dami ko rin nasulat na kanta. Yung mga kanta ko, pare-pareho yung tunog. Until I brought it to the studio and na-arrange siya. And parang...
No. I am not talking about the genre.
It's the voice.
It's the voice. I'm not talking about the song.
Yun yun, Moira.
I'm sorry.
Uwi na po ako.
It's the singing style. It's the way you curl your tongue when you sing, and then you make it airy, and it's all the same. I'm down. Sa lalaki kasi, it's actually hard na palabasin ng head tone o yung falsetto. Pwede pang ma-improve yung tone, yung sound na kayang i-produce ng lalamunan mo.
You want all my love.
Practice mo yung sarili mo na hindi mo sinuscoop yung mga notes. You are on the love. Kung pwede mong, you na. Meron kang mga times na pwede mong gamitin yung scoop, not all the time. Kasi may chance na mag-flat pag sinuscoop mo yung notes.
At kung swerteng ka pa, hindi lang lesson ang makukuha. May do it pang kasama.
I'm shining on, all because of you.
Emotional yung boses mo para sa akin. But when I watch you, I don't see that same emotion.
Yung sinasabi nilang hindi nila maramdaman because the song is actually a hopeful song. It's parang nangliligaw. It's like courting someone. So you started na parang malungkot siya, pero hopeful siya eh. Kasi hinahanap niya yung one in a One in a Million You, it's actually not a sad song. Yung pagka-perform niya dun sa kanta, for me, tama. Marami kang flats, nagsha-sharp, pero ang ganda-ganda ng quality ng voice mo.
Thank you po. Hindi ganun kalakas ang dating sa akin eh. Alam mo yun, hindi... It's not extra special.
Ako, actually, I enjoyed it. It wasn't a very clean performance. May mga flats, may mga sharp. I did like your falsetto. It was very clean. Parang I didn't care for yung pagkadumi ng performance kasi it's reggae. Kasi yung reggae, di ba, parang ganun lang siya. Parang even if you're singing a particular song, parang you're speaking lang.
Opo.
Di ba, parang ganun siya, binibitawan.
Hindi ko masyadong alam yung kanta, pero ang ganda ng pagkaka-interpret mo ng song. Gusto ko na nag-umpisa ka sa mababa, tapos na-highlight mo yung high note. Siguro ang isang tip ko lang na gustong sabihin ay enunciate more, lalo na pag lower notes. Kasi minsan pagka low notes, hindi namin masyadong madinig yung lyrics. So, enunciation, madali lang yun. Ikaklaruhin lang natin kung ano yung ikinakanta natin. Pero yung buong performance mo, gustong-gusto ko, ang galing-galing, ang ganda-ganda. I'm sure proud na proud sa'yo yung anak mo.
Multi-awarded singer, best-selling artist of all time. Madlang people, please welcome the Asia Songbird, Regine Velasquez Alcacid.